Let's go over all the hosting options for function apps in Azure. At the time of this recording, there are 5 ways to host your Azure Functions in Azure, 4 that are GA and 1 that's in preview. The first is consumption. This is the most basic form of Azure Functions, where you only pay for the executions that actually occur for your Azure Functions. The next is called Flex Consumption and is currently in preview. Think of it like the enterprise consumption tier. If you need a lot of instances, a lot of availability, and fast event-driven scenarios, use this tier. Functions Premium, aka Elastic Premium. This is if you have functions that are running around the clock and you want to pay for the compute and the memory for those Azure functions. Next, you can use Azure Functions in an app service environment. Pay for the app service plan and have your functions in the same place as your app services. Lastly, put your functions in Azure Container Apps. Pay for the memory and compute that each container that is running uses. To learn more about the options of creating Azure Function Apps in Azure, check out the video in the description.